admitted, anything can happen to the baby and they will not be responsible. Yet, as a family, we decided to stick to our request. We asked the doctor for medicines without admission. 6 times, various junior doctors came to us to request for admission along with primary physicians and tried to convince us to admit, and in word and spirit tried to scare us of the consequences to the baby's health if baby was not admitted. At the last, pediatrician asked me to sign a letter that I will be responsible for anything that goes wrong with the baby or the health, and the hospital will not take responsibility. You can understand how difficult and challenging was that moment. That amount of pressure from 3 doctors for admission can make any person, even me as a doctor, think twice that am I doing the right thing? Is it a mistake if I'm not admitting the baby? However, the decision was made and I had taken up the challenge. The baby was put under homeopathy medications and was followed up every 6 hours. The baby had difficulty in the first night of with breathing as the homeopathy medicines were on. However, within 18 hours, the baby started showing improvement. Wheezing and difficulty in breathing reduced. The fever was gone. The child was getting calmer. Distress symptoms had completely gone by 36 hours of the treatment. The baby also vomited lot of mucus with reducing bouts of cough. Lot of thick sticky mucus as phlegm came out, which were green and white in color. By 3rd day, 80% of baby's symptoms were gone. Baby was doing much better. 2 more homeopathy doctors were consulted as second opinion, and update on the line of treatment was given. Dr. C.J. Banerjee and Dr. Srivasu, who is the treasurer of KQHTA, also prescribed few more medicines to help with the remaining symptoms. By 5th day, the baby was completely alright. This is that baby on my lap. Where are you looking? Look here. Today is the 3rd week and this is that. You can see he is absolutely fine. On this Hanuman Day, I send a message to all of you that if your child is suffering with chronic and allergic conditions leading to respiratory or skin distress, switch to homeopathy. It is one of the most safest, steady and most competent way to improve a child's immunity and bring them to health. Thank you so much and wish you all a very happy Hanuman's Day.